Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will discuss the GK portion of Junior Engineer Mechanical Postcode 825, and the exam was conducted today on 10th April 2021. So we will cover here the GK questions of the exam. So let's start with the question number first. Famous personality Satyadev Bushari belong to which district of HP? So the right answer is option A is correct, Shimla. Suket princely state was founded by. So here the right answer is option D, none of these. It was founded by Bir Sen. Next question, which Delhi Sultan took over the control of Sirmaur princely state and made in his tributary? So the right answer is Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Option C is correct. Next question, a United Service Club US club was founded at Shimla in which year? So the right answer is option B, 1844. Next question, who was the first Lokayukta of HP? So the option D is correct, Justice TVR Tatachari. Next question, which is the executive agency of Killer Hydroelectric Project? So the right answer is NHPC. Option C is correct. Question number 105, State Institute of Hotel Management, Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition is located at which place in HP? So the right answer is option C, Sasan. Next question, a Mala Galant folk dance is performed in which district of HP? So the right answer is option A, Kinnaur. Which country has recently passed a controversial 20th Constitution Amendment? So the right answer is option D, Sri Lanka. Government e-marketplace portal has been recently integrated with which portal? So the right answer is option C, Central Public Procurement Portal. Question 109, which country has recently given complete approval for using antiviral drug remdesivir to treat COVID-19? So here the right answer is option B, USA. Next question, which country recorded highest air pollution exposure globally in 2019 as per the State of Global Air 2020 Export? So here the right answer is option C, India. Next question, which state has recently implemented smart blackboard scheme in 80,000 government schools? So that Tamil Nadu is the right answer, option B. Now these are the reasoning questions. We have to move on to next question, which provide information about the civilization of early Vedic age? So the right answer is option A, Rig Veda. Buddhism made an important impact on which society? So they made an impact on moneylender and slaves. Option B is correct. The famous Kohinoor diamond was produced from which mine? So the famous Kohinoor diamond was produced from Golconda. Option D is correct. What do you mean by the Mughal Zagir? So Mughal Zagir is giving officer a right to collect revenue. Option A is correct. Next question, what did the Hunter Commission appointed by the Viceroy probe? So जलियांवाला बाग tragedy. Option C is correct. उसके लिए बनाया गया था ये. Which was not a member of drafting committee of the constitution? So यहाँ पे डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद जो है वो right answer नहीं है. Next question है, who is the custodian of the implementation of fundamental rights? So the option D is correct, both A and B, High Court and Supreme Court. In which year the House of People was named as a Lok Sabha? So 1954 is the right answer, option C. How much part of the Earth's land surface is desert? So 1/3. Option B is correct. Delinquencies rise in, so it rises in option B, warm, moist and airy conditions. Question number 127, on which date India experienced the shortest stay? So the right answer option A, December 22. Next question, which river forms estuary? So option D is correct, Narmada. Which canal is located in West Bengal? So the right answer is Aden Canal. Option C is correct. Unemployment that rises when there is a general downturn in business activity is known as cyclical employment. Option C is correct. Which is the necessary for blood clotting in humans? Vitamin K. Option B. Water should not be used to extinguish the fire caused by electricity because it may cause electrocution. Option A is correct. Next question है, which is found in vinegar? Acetic acid. So option D is correct here. Antonyms of frailty. So option B is correct, strength. One word substitution for a word no longer in use. So option C is correct, obsolete. She takes after, option C is correct, she takes after her grandmother. She has blue eyes. Option C is correct. Meaning of idiom, to flee fast and lose. So to be undependable. Option B is correct. सप्तग्रह में समास है. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. शक्ति में प्रत्यय है. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, दी. अपमान का पर्यायवाची ऑप्शन ए, अवमानना. धरती पर रहना, स्वाभिमान न करना. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस. सो वी हैव एंडेड अ वीडियो हेयर. So if you want the answers of other questions also, then please comment in the comment box. I'll bring you the video for the same. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.